Air fryers have revolutionized the way we cook and have become a must-have kitchen appliance for many home cooks. With the ability to fry, bake, roast, and grill food using little to no oil, air fryers offer a healthier alternative to traditional deep frying. The market is filled with a plethora of options, making it challenging to determine which air fryer is the best for your needs. From compact models ideal for small kitchens to large family-sized units, there's an air fryer to suit every lifestyle. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the best air fryers in 2023 on the market, including their features, performance, and customer reviews to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out in the kitchen, a good air fryer is an investment worth considering. At number 1 is the Ninja AF161 Max 40 Air Fryer. The Ninja AF161 Max 40 Air Fryer is a top-of-the-line appliance for those looking to enjoy crispy and delicious foods with less fat. With its Max Crisp technology, the air fryer delivers superheated air up to 450 degrees to cook foods up to 30% faster and with little to no oil. This results in hot and crispy food that is guilt-free and healthier than traditional deep-fried methods. The 5.5 QT ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate are capable of fitting up to 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings, making it the perfect appliance for families or those who love to entertain. The 7-in-1 functionality includes Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate, giving you a wide range of cooking options to suit any recipe. Cleaning is made easy with the ceramic basket, which is both non-stick and dishwasher safe. This saves you time and effort in the kitchen, making your life easier. The package also includes a chef-inspired 20-recipe book to help you get started and inspire you to try new recipes. The Ninja AF161 Max 40 Air Fryer is designed with style in mind, featuring a gray high-gloss finish that will complement any kitchen decor. With 1750 watts of power, it's quick and efficient, making it the perfect appliance for busy households. Weighing in at just 11 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to move around your kitchen. At number 2 is the Instant Vortex Plus 10-quart Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus 10-quart Air Fryer is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance that is perfect for quick and delicious meals. With its 7-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and rotisserie, making it a must-have for any kitchen. The Even Crisp advanced technology drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. One of the standout features of the Instant Vortex Plus is its rotisserie function, which is perfect for self-basting and tumble frying. The top heating element with fan ensures optimal cooking and baking performance, and the 6 customizable one-touch smart programs make it easy to create rotisserie-style chicken, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. The fast preheating feature allows you to create gourmet meals with little to no preheating time, and the temperature range of 95 to 400 degree Fahrenheit provides you with a wide range of cooking options. The included accessories such as the non-stick drip pan, 2 perforated cooking trays, stainless steel rotisserie basket, rotisserie spit and forks, and lift tool make it a complete and convenient appliance for all your cooking needs. Cleaning is made easy with the oven door that removes easily and can be cleaned with a damp cloth and dish soap. The drip pan, cooking trays, rotisserie basket, spit, forks, and screws are all dishwasher safe. The Instant Vortex Plus also features built-in safety features such as overheat protection and auto-off, giving you peace of mind when using the appliance. For those who love to cook and experiment with new recipes, the Instant Pot app is available for download on both iOS and Android devices, providing you with a wealth of recipe ideas and inspiration. The Instant Vortex Plus 10-quart Air Fryer is a kitchen must-have, perfect for quick, delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, rotisserie chicken, and more. With its sleek silver and black design, it will look great in any kitchen. At number 3 on our list is the COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo. The COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo is a versatile kitchen appliance that can help you cook a variety of meals with ease. With its customizable cooking functions and temperature range of 107 to 450 degree Fahrenheit, you can save your favorite flavors and create delicious meals that everyone will love. The AdaptiQ technology circulates air quickly and evenly, ensuring a crispy texture and even results. The 12 one-touch cooking functions, including steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, toast, bake, preheat, and keep warm, make it easy to cook a wide range of foods. This air fryer oven combo also features a personalized shake reminder, allowing you to add or cancel the reminder according to your preference. The COSORI cookbook is included, providing you with 100 delicious, chef-created recipes to try. The square 5.8 quart basket is large enough to fit a 5-pound chicken, making it perfect for family dinners. spinners. Cleanup is simple and easy as the baskets and non-stick surfaces are dishwasher safe. In case you experience any issues, the California-based customer support team is here to help. The built-in auto shut-off function ensures that the air fryer turns off automatically, providing added peace of mind. The black color of the COSORI Pro 2 air fryer oven combo makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. With its many features and capabilities, this air fryer oven combo is a must-have kitchen appliance. At number 4 is the Chefman Small Air Fryer. The Chefman Small Air Fryer is the perfect addition to any kitchen. With its powerful air frying capabilities, you can cook healthy meals quickly and easily with 98% less oil than traditional fryers. The adjustable temperature range of 200–400 degrees Fahrenheit ensures that your food is cooked to crispy perfection. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its compact design. The sleek, round shape and glossy black finish make it a stylish addition to your countertop. Despite its small size, the flat basket design holds 40% more food than traditional air fryer baskets, making it perfect for families. The intuitive digital display is incredibly easy to use. Simply set the 60-minute integrated timer to your desired cooking time and let the fryer do the rest. The fryer will automatically shut off once the timer is up, so you never have to worry about overcooking your food. Cleaning the Chefman Small Air Fryer is a breeze. The 3.7-quart non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a snap. If you prefer to hand wash, use soft sponges and cloths to keep the fryer in top shape. This air fryer is CTL approved and comes with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. You can purchase with confidence, knowing that Chefman provides a 1-year assurance. The RJ38V335TG Black model is made of plastic and has a power output of 1,000 watts by 120 volts. The fifth product on our list is the Dash Compact Air Fryer. The Dash Compact Air Fryer is an excellent kitchen appliance that helps you enjoy healthier fried food. With its air crisp technology, you can reduce added fat by 70–80% while still preserving the taste and flavor of your food. The air fryer is also quick and easy to use thanks to its 2-quart capacity fryer basket, adjustable temperature, and timer. The auto shut-off function also makes it safer to use, preventing any risk of overcooking. Whether you're feeding picky eaters, a large family, or have a busy schedule, the Dash Compact Air Fryer is the perfect appliance for you. From appetizers to desserts, this air fryer can cook a wide range of dishes in minutes without the need for preheating your oven. This air fryer is also compact and lightweight, making it an excellent choice for those with smaller kitchens, college dorms, or for traveling in a camper or RV. The sleek design and trendy color options are sure to accent any kitchen space, making it a stylish and functional addition to your home. In conclusion, the Dash Compact Air Fryer is an excellent appliance that offers healthy, delicious, and convenient cooking. With its compact size, easy-to-use features, and versatile cooking capabilities, it is the perfect air fryer for those who value health, taste, and convenience. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.